So we are in my kitchen in Yangon, Myanmar. So I'm going to teach you how to make Dalgona coffee. So it's the cool thing, the cool recipe that everybody's making. I got home and I made the new recipe that everyone is talking about. Jimo impian yauto dure pipyo ne jade asatao athit takugo lokere. The latest lockdown trend to hit social media is Dalgona coffee. Let the law kissa nede Dalgona coffee be pipade. Dalgona coffee go jimo lo later. So Dalgona coffee is a coffee beverage which is made up of 3 things. Instant coffee, 1 spoon, 2 spoons of instant coffee, 2 spoons of sugar. I don't really like sweets. I do like sweets, it's a problem, but I don't like to have too much sweet because of that. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of sugar, but it's supposed to be 2 spoons. And hot water. I'm gonna do hot water. See that? Getting alerts on my phone. Okay, so 2 spoons, shoot. And then we're gonna mix. So even though the drink looks beautiful and professionally done, it's very simple to make. Coffee go jilayen, ayan hlabiro pinya bare tinya bare. Dabime lo yara ayan luere. The trick is to mix it until the concoction becomes thick and creamy. So that's the hard part. You have to really keep mixing. To get all of that foam out, all the bubbles out. Jeez. Bye. Adikaro coffee the jar yinuero go yobi pipi cream lo pilade ati moyare. Pipile pipiwa ma bibi. No? So once the mix becomes thick and creamy, you pour the whip all over your ice, over some cold milk or hot milk. Okay, so ice cube tin, we can put ice cubes in, but you can do cold milk or hot milk. Okay, so ooh, now it's a little bit foamy, fluffy. It sticks a little bit better now. Yay! So let's give this to my brother. Oh, I'm so happy. Voila! Kilabi so ina coffee cream go. No apu, damamaho, no aba, long night. That's a good summer drink. Okay, it's not as pretty as it looks on these websites, but it's really good. Really good. So try it at home. Let me know how it goes. No? Bottoms up. Cheers. Good.